Everyone's been asking what's the vehicle like since you've tuned it, and I'm happy to report back I've been driving this car every day for the last 2 weeks since it's been tuned. We've got our other range in which we last week did a trip from Melbourne to Brisbane in one trip straight, towing 3.5 ton. The vehicle drove absolutely faultlessly, and the reports back was it was really nice to drive. A big difference after we'd custom dyno tuned it. That vehicle we also did the front mount intercooler, which I'll drop some pictures and you can see that as well. This car still is only custom dyno tuned, not set up for towing at all. But what I can report back, driving it every day, it's a completely different vehicle. One of the biggest noticeable differences that I've found, and also other people that have driven the car at work, is that response down low. And when I say response, is noticeably the big difference when you're at a T intersection or you come into a roundabout and you go to take off, it just takes off so much better. And the big difference is what we do adjust with the tune is those parameters within the ECU that takes away some of those torque limits and improves that all-round drivability. So yes, we deliver the power and torque, but we keep talking about better drivability, and these are the things that we do differently at Ultimate Diesel Tuning and do the R&D to make sure that difference comes across in the way we custom dyno tune your car. But first 2 weeks of this car, absolutely loving it. The extra gains in power and torque is great, but those other drivable features is really noticeable, and everyone's been commenting on that as well, because you know that's the big difference, not just power and torque, but also the way the car drives. Well guys, if you're looking to improve the performance of your next gen Ranger, Amarok or Everest, make sure you give us a call, speak to our diesel experts, or drop into our performance centres in Brisbane, Gold Coast and Melbourne.